knowledge to buy anything. So you will think like, okay, we can't buy CryptoPunks board apes because they're like out of a budget and assets also. So like today we'll discuss about like how can you actually spot these NFTs, what do you want to check, what are the websites you need to go to. So actually I done a complete 24 hours, so like no 30 hours course on NFTs by a legendary creator. His name is Benyu. So I'm going to tell you about all the experiences I have in that course and all my learnings there. So you're going to have so much of value in today's ones. Like it's really super value. So I think you are excited. So just give me a thumbs up or chat or anything. We'll just start. Ravi, Karim, Alvi, Sahad, Nidhi, anybody? Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, sure. Let me share my screen. Full screen. Share screen. Share screen. Yes. Let me know my screen is visible or not. Just give me hi, H, anything it works. Yes. Okay. Just 1 second. Yeah. Now we'll go to my website. Like I have written a complete blog on this. Yeah. Firstly, we can see yes, best NFTs to buy. So here is the complete course of like how about like how the NFTs actually happened. Like the 20-hour course, it's from Mass Academy. So it's like about how you can what's the definition of NFTs and how NFTs progressed by CryptoPunks. Like basically, it's NFTs like art is form of like the revolution that's happening in our society. Even from that's why art is actually valuable because it represents the evolution of how the human society actually work. So that's actually the main concept of the NFT arts coming, because any evolution or revolution or human revolution came, you if you can see the art forms, it's actually visible. So if the art is evolving, you can say that the humans are also evolving, the intelligence is evolving. So like Mona Lisa actually became famous because it is stolen by one of the thief groups actually, and every street of London and everywhere it's like there are posters of Mona Lisa. It's stolen. So that's actually how it became famous. And then after that, it's okay. Leonardo da Vinci has painted this. Leonardo da Vinci has painted so many other things also, but like why Mona Lisa only famous? So this is the thing because like it's actually stolen and it's actually became a meme in the 1900s. Meme in the 1900 guys. So it's like everybody knows about Mona Lisa. People are joking about like, okay, somebody stole Mona Lisa. Yeah, I only stole Mona Lisa. Like that in the newspapers, they use it to publish funny articles about it. So that's in that way it become viral meme in the 1900s. So that it became like super art. Now what is like art is actually progression, and now the CryptoPunks the in 2017 it started, and like it's about like the art of this cyberpunks. It's like the London culture. It's in the 1900s, 1960s and 1970s. Like people used it to be these punks, so like different hairstyles, beards, and all of these things they use it to do, and they say it is like a punk culture, a culture. It's happened in 20 years, 30 years, and then they launched it like, okay, we will take the inspiration from them, and like we launched a digital version of the art. These like these pixeloid things, and these are max of all these are like randomly generated pixel arts. So like the first thing we need to know about is like, okay, these are like not NFTs are basically the evolution of art from paper to direct digital arts. So in digital arts, like pixelated ones directly now it's happening. In the future, it will be like complete graphic shoes and everything completely, which might have a real value in our real world. So let me see if you have any questions right now. How do I add money in MetaMask wallet? UPI always fails. I don't think you can add MetaMask like with MetaMask. You can. I think you can't able to add with UPI. The best process is like you can go to Binance or WazirX. You can buy some of ETH or any of the currency that you want, and you can send it to the MetaMask wallet address. That's the best thing. Best thing like people can do. And don't buy in like in MetaMask or Binance. Sorry, in WazirX or Binance, don't buy with UPI. It takes so much of money. Go to peer-to-peer transactions. P2P is there. Buy there, you will get the best rate, and you are not even charged for using this also. Like that's the best option. Go to Binance. Go to peer-to-peer, buy what you want. Let's say Ethereum you want, buy it, and transfer it to the wallet address of your MetaMask wallet. And yeah, that's simple as it is. It's actually the simplest. I have tried so many things but that's the simplest things that you can do. So I think for NFTs, I think you have understood. Any doubts you have? So like about like these crypto things. So first NFTs, like we don't want to go into like super high, right? So the best thing you can do is like the website is called as Mintable. So the best superb thing is you can actually mint for free. So not even a single rupee will go from your pocket. If I'm saying it right, not even a single rupee will go from your pocket. Do I do a direct mint? You want to see? You want to see how I mint? Guys, just please respond. A small message will do. I will show you like the process of how you can mint anything for free. And when it is sold, you will pay the price for the minting. Ravi, how many NFTs do you have? I have like 5 to 6 NFTs right now. My friends have some NFT projects. So like at the starting, I used to work for them. They give me NFTs. So like that, I have 5 to 6 NFTs, mostly in like OpenSea they have, and some in other platforms. In like 2 to 3 wallets I have. One wallet I lost. I forget the keys, so don't forget your keys. I didn't write my keys down, so like the wallet actually is gone. One wallet, and like now I have like right now two, 3 or 4 some NFTs I have. So you want to see how you can actually mint your own NFTs. After that, I will show you like how you can buy. Is it cool? Or if you don't want to see that, like I will just move to the other things like Alvi, Nidhi, Kareem, Sahad. Okay, yeah, sure. So the thing is like the app site is called as Mintable, and you can simply sign up or log in. It's very easy actually. You can directly do with Google. Simple you can do, and the account is like simply you can directly go with this any of these things. So when you after you simply take an account, you can directly mint your own NFTs. That is for completely free. Not even a single rupee will be there from your product, like from yourself. So even if you want to mint some, let's say your photos, your videos, your musics, so these things you can actually mint for free. See, just wait a second, it's asking again. AmazonCognito.com. So yeah, I'm just logging in. Let's say I have a mint, okay, direct mint Ethereum, which no gasless transaction. Yes, proceed to mint. See, connect your MetaMask wallet. It's asking my MetaMask wallet. It's a super long password and you can't able to guess. Yes, connect my account Matic. It's a Polygon. So it's actually using Polygon. So like super user account name. Okay. Signs in a wallet. Yes, link account. It will again ask. Then you sign. Done. Simple as it is. Completely done. So your account process within a 4 clicks, you have done your complete account. Not even a single rupee you need to pay. Let's say some downloads. One of the files I created, I want to make it as an NFT so people can use it. Funindra, funny files, my dogs. No, it's not. LinkedIn. I just want to show like how you can directly keep anything like here, and like it's so cool actually. You can do anything you want. Let's say a normal picture. Let's say, okay, this is a picture. Okay, this is the picture I edit. So this is one of the picture I edit. So it's not there in the internet. So uploading your file. maximum is 100 MB. So up till videos up to 100 MB you can upload. So you can like the okay, it's private file. The original name is here. Like it's uploading your file. Yeah, mint traditionally. Okay, mint in mintable store. Only mint my token. Yes, general token name. It's Elon must tweet Twitter. Listing title. Elon tweet. Listing subtitle. Elon is making Twitter. Damn. So like something you can like, okay, another files you want to add, enter a name for metadata. So it's like another things are allowed. Let's say you, for example, you can attach a file, for example, which will be only unlocked. Let's say if they buy your NFT, let's say someone bought this NFT, you want to give them a private Discord access. You can give it here. You can want to give a file or a key to somewhere very important. You can give it here. You can give a password here. So like they can like for example you can give account name and password, so to they can log into a specific account. So there's are so many things that you can do right here. Like you can add, for example, if they buy your NFT, these will be unlocked, things like that. So enter a name. These are like we can do no stores, create one for mintable store, just create one of the listing item. You must upload one image as a preview image. Okay, so like one image they are asking as a preview image. So like yeah, we're uploading the same as preview also. So it's generally the preview image. It's okay. Subcategory. Just one second. Attach. Private. No, we don't need private. Mm-hmm. Yeah, like two or three categories we need to do, and after that it's like we can completely get it. Like what kind of art you're making. So let's say it's like art. Directly select the subcategory. Visual art. Token address, mint, everything is done, I think. So yeah, list this image. Upload at least. So like one image we need to upload again, then the minting will be done actually. So this is the process of actually how you can mint for free. I hope you understand. Hello guys, yeah, Alvi, Nidhi, Karim. So okay, no issues. Like this is the simplest process. You can buy an NFT. Look, sorry, mint an NFT, and now how you can buy. For example, you need to check like there are some tools called as rarity.tools. These are the tools of like rarity.tools. Like there are so many new collections. For example, always updating in this like it's called rarity.tools. Like you can actually see the rarity of each and every NFT that's actually present. For example, the banana dashboard. There are so many projects here that are upcoming. See, these are more recent projects. Let's say Lazy Clubs, Bio Apes, Alien Dreams, Dragon Genesis, Raging, Roosters. There's so many projects out there that are recent. So you can see the total 7-day volume collection of how much it's happened. By total volume, like CryptoPunks has more than like 900,000 ETH, the total transfer, and the average price is for ETH. It is like the average price that you can say here, and the owners, number of owners is there. So it's compares everything from like so many of the websites, mostly from OpenSea. So this is one of a great site. And if you want to check like a project, let's say rarity, and you want to compare like which one you want to buy, and like you need to check the process between there. So here it is like, so by this algorithm, this is the rarest of all in the CryptoPunks. So why it is rarest? See, by category you can sort, like for example, it is male, it is mid male, the age and everything. So the hair only gives you like the rarity score of 115. So like these are the points that they gave, the nose props and everything. You can like check this on the OpenSea and check on looks rare. So like generally it's general on OpenSea, so you can have the price and everything. I think it is not listed for selling. See, it's like owned by Danny Secured. So some of a verified account is holding this one, this one. So like you can see all the attributes. See, 1% have this right, 0.001% have this right. So it's like actually a very nice one. See, it's sold for 85 ETH to Danny, and Danny he transferred it to Danny Secure. So that happened 2 years ago, and this never gone on the sale. That's 2 years ago. It's 85 ETH, and no one actually even even a say like 22,000 views and everything. So like this is the things that actually happen. Someone given a $40 ETH wrapped ETH, but they haven't accepted it. So these in this way you can actually find, for example, if the rarity is high and the, let's say the score is low, let's say the price is low, you can actually buy it when compared to other NFTs. Like we don't know actually which NFT to buy, right? So we compare the rarities. The rarer the NFT, the costlier it is in general kind of perception. So the more like either buy on the top or buy on the bottom. That's my one of a suggestion, because people at the top they pay premium price for the top NFTs, and people at the low they like actually some even want to sell or buy or things for these things. Like this, see this 2534 Vapid Cry, this is like the least rare. The 10,000 of the crypto punks, 2547 is the least according to this algorithm. But let's see what's the price of it. So the listing price is like it's listed for like all time high is 26.5, but yeah, it's like it's okay. So in this way, by using rarity.tools, you can find the rarity of the NFT and you can buy the NFT that you want. Like you can have like search so many of the projects. There are more projects than engineering colleges in India. So that's like a lot more. So these are the things that you can like see and know about uh, any of the projects, because all of the projects that are listed here are actually verified. So rarity they need to actually verify with rarity tools. So that actually gives you security purpose of like if something is here you can stick it, things like that. So after that the best platform is like OpenSea. You can directly see so many collections, and like most of the people buy here. So when you connect it, there are two options. You can directly buy with Ethereum and you can buy with Solana. Sorry, Polygon. So most and like new NFTs are like listed in Polygon because the gas fees is so low, and the cost of the NFTs are like also low. You can share here. Let's say, let's see, Solana NFTs are there right now. Stats, resources, create. Let's say Polygon. Do not buy, only buy from a Polygon listing. So like so many are there, like even this Polygon is coming. So generally quantity chains, which chain you want to create. Let's say if we say Polygon and like it's not there, explore stats, you can directly go to the Polygon stats and like you can directly buy with Polygon. It takes very less amount of money compared with Ethereum directly gas. So rarity.tools, you can check like the rarity of so many apes, mutant apes here. There are more than 19,000 mutant apes, because actually the mutation happened and like so many of those came up. Uh, and you can, there is another app called as nftcalendar.io. So it is like the upcoming NFTs. Let's say in 23rd to 30, it is like the NFTs are coming, Illuminati owls, so cyber NFTs. These are actually promoted. So after when you go down, you will see the so many of the NFTs such as Moon City NFT, Flash Kit. Like until then, it's promoted. After that, you can see the verified NFT collections of Moon Cheese, Phantom Yacht Club. So like it's a board age app club. They're like copying it but with octopuses. See, this is Notorious Kings NFTs. So 3D NFTs. So like so many NFTs. There are some animes NFTs, Satori, like Satoshi. Those so many NFTs collections. You can need to you just need to research. For example, take this website. You go to the website. You go to the Twitter. You go to the marketplace. Know everything what it is. The author of this project is man 4 times Guinness World Record holder, strongest model in the world of the direction. I think these guys are something. He's the like strongest in the world. So like that's the selling thing for this, because the fans of this person will actually buy the NFTs. So that's one of the selling purpose. So like after that you can have like NFT cal.xyz. So there will be so many drops here that you can actually find and like see about and think about like what are the things you can do and what are the projects you can like have a heads on before it actually go live or minting happens. So this website also helps you a lot. You can get the calendar here, and which day which NFT collection is going on, you can directly see in a calendar. So that's actually super helpful, because all of it is so confusing. So yeah, these are the things I need to talk about. So if you have any doubts regarding any of this, I can actually share more more. So yeah, leave the stage. No, like I need to stop sharing. How to stop sharing? Only stop sharing. Stop sharing. Yes. So how you prefer? Do you think ETH is better or Polygon for buying right now, or like for direct in the NFTs? So the saying is like right now until Ethereum 2.0 arrives, Polygon has like zero, close to zero gas fees. So for investment, it's like my personal advice. So let's consider Ethereum as a large platform, but like a site, let's say land or something, and Polygon is the first state that built on the land. So Ethereum is a layer one and Polygon is layer two. So, what majority of the people right now in the world are doing is Ethereum has the largest number of, let's say, people creating on it from the starting. It's like released in 2015. So after that, in 2017, Polygon saw that and like, okay, there is problems with Ethereum. We'll do one thing. They build a layer two, which is like it's actually built completely on Ethereum, but it's the better version, complete super different version, which is like the fees is super low. You can act, it's carbon neutral. The power consumption is super low. So right now, what the companies are doing is like Facebook, Meta, eBay, all these things they're partnering with Polygon and they're building on Polygon. Let's say like if Polygon superbly increases, Ethereum also increases because Polygon has actually built on Ethereum. So that's the reason. For if you ask me for personal advice, like I would suggest Polygon because Polygon has like better growth opportunities, and it's like in the top three of the world right now. First one is Bitcoin, second one is Ethereum, and third one is Polygon right now at present because of so many users even after the crash. So like better like I would suggest like not suggest like in my view Polygon will grow. If Polygon grows, Ethereum also grows. It depends on how much scale they're differing, but two are like super good options. Yep, that's from my side, Sahar. Mhm. So anything you have doubts, guys, or any NFTs, like any minting process you have doubt, so please share it with me. I will like try to answer any doubt you have. Not nothing, not even for NFTs. You can ask for cryptos, any space regarding all of these things. Sahad, Mihi, Nidhi, Alvi, Ravi. Hope you guys are in the stream. So please let me know if you have any other doubts. I will explain it. If you don't have any other doubts, we'll conclude this session for today. And like we will come with super new topics. So if you have any doubts, guys, please let me know. Sahad, Alvi, Karim. Mhm. Okay, I hope like people don't have that many doubts. So even like buying your, so nowadays I feel NFT hype is less right now. Yes, right now it's less. Like even if I want to say before that, before the crash happens, before the Luna crash and everything happens, the NFT market is like, let's say it's just 100 rupees. Right now it's at 15 rupees. Understand, like 85 rupees is buck because the crypto fall down. What happened is like people want to like always want to make a quick buck. So 90% of the people are there, okay, let's make a quick buck. The project comes, so it will hype up. So they sell it in the high and they sell it in the low. People use it to do it superb high, but when crypto fall down like dramatically, people are in losses. So it's like bloodshed and everything. So people are like, okay, we don't need right now. Things like that happen, and like the growth actually plummeted down because people don't have money right now. So that's what actually happened, and like the hype is so less right now. But you don't want to go to some art or something like that, but the technology behind the NFT is what I am seeing right now. Because let's say before like 4 years or 5 years, you can't actually own something on the internet. Let's say you created a picture, you created a video, but you can't actually own it on the internet. It's impossible. What NFTs does is it creates a sense of ownership over the internet. Anyone can check in this world. So let's say a person from Antarctica want to check your ownership of something, they can actually check it, and anyone can do it. Like anyone can mint it from anywhere in this world. You can sell it to anywhere in this world. So that's the beauty of the concept of NFTs that is used in the future. Right now, all these 90%, 95% of the projects might be worthless if they have much use cases in the real world scenario. Then it's like holding, let's say let's say there is board ape or something. Even if the price doubles, 90%, 95% of the community don't sell, even if the price doubles or triples, because the community they are in is so valuable. It's like okay to pay the price, like to hold it, to like attach with those people and talk with those people. That's what like board apes they bring to the table. It's like super high community. So not falling for the hype. See what NFTs are doing good, what are the future vision, not only for the NFT these things sales and things. So how can they actually provide you value? These are the things just keep in mind. At the starting you will be like so confused in all of these, but like learn one bit a day, like you will get so much better before that. Yeah, that's my explanation for that, Nidhi. Any doubts in that regard? Nidhi Sahad. Mhm. So you want to know about anything in the versions right now? There is an event happen going called as there's some affordable communities which are affordable. Yes, there are some communities which are affordable. Right now, let me show you one community. I don't know the price of it right now. Curious Addies. This is called as curious Addies. Like I said, like I learned from an course, right? The floor price is right now 0.13, which is actually cheap. When if I want to compare last, it's like 0.39. So like the prices are here is like okay, it's good. It's cheap when compared right now. 0.129, which means like $100, I think, $140. Before that, these NFTs used to be like $500, $1,000 approx. So see before like see today's 0.08 and wrapped it. You know the concept of WETH, wrapped it. So what this concept do is like they create let's say the course I have shown you before, the best NFTs here. This guy is named Venue. So like he creates courses on crypto education. The person's like it doesn't stop in a single day. How many years you got, the courses will be coming out. So the person who owns the NFTs can directly access all the courses. They can directly meet him. They can discuss about NFTs. So these kind of things they have. So like $140, you can say approximately it's like 12,000 right now, but like it's not the cheapest version. It's not the cheapest, I think. I think it's the cheapest. So like you can also do like the WETH and everything. So these kind of things, but you need to invest like a minimum amount right now, not like 500,000, even like 5,000, 10,000. You might invest, but the community you will be getting will be great. So like that much minimum you need to keep. So I am also buying another NFT might be. So in this, so yeah, I haven't shared my screen, right? Oh God, sorry. So the NFT project that I want to say before is this thing, Curious Ad is Training Club. So the main selling point is like it's the education of crypto. So like people with no education of crypto can like buy the NFT and they can learn all about him directly, talk with the community. It's a beautiful community. So and if you learned enough, you can sell it for a profit of the NFTs. So like people, there are limited seats. It's like a limited seats in a super community of crypto education. So like yeah, these kind of things also be there, but you need to check like the authenticity and everything. You need to check before these things, and like there are so many things. But yeah, and you can follow this thing. Actually, I have written like 20 hour worth value in like a single thing. Nope. I don't understand what you mean by nope, Nidhi. Can you explain? So okay, yeah, okay. Before the screen, I think before the screen you might be talking. So if you guys are free, just go to this blog. Yeah, yeah. screen time, yeah, sure. So just go to this blog. You will find each and every resource I have mentioned right now, and even more resources you will find. So like what about NFTs? What the starting point, ending point, how it's going on right now. There are so many kinds of NFTs. These are like only the smallest kind I have shown. There are so many other platforms for only art. There are for only P2A gaming. There are only for invite only people. There's so many things that are happening right now in the NFT space. But right now the movement is slow. But what I suggest you is like don't keep all your money in NFTs that you don't know actually. Try to, let's say, before buying the NFT, go to the Twitter space, see how the interaction in Twitter is, what the people are tweeting. Go to the Discord space, like see if the people are trying to build a community or like people are going for only profits. So if they're going only for profits and not a vision of the community, that's not your project to go. So like spend some time. It will be super overwhelming because Discord is like so confusing at the start, but when you go on like it's actually makes some sense. But also buy only NFTs. From my suggestion is like that have real world value, something you can get a value, okay, the other person can also see, not only for art, like any other things also like that can hold some value. So these are the things I need to share with you. Yeah, that's mostly I want to share with you. Is there anything, guys, you want to know about? Any doubt? Anything is accepted. Not as of now. Thank you so much. Please let me know how do you find this session. Nidhi Sahad, where are you going next live? I will be going next live in 2 days. Today's Thursday, right? Yeah, Saturday I will go live again. So right, these 4 days I have got a little accident, so like I haven't gone. And thank you so much. And today I want to do like what it is like. I resigned to my job actually. I was like typing, I was doing my interview. I was like, okay, it's not me. And I didn't even know. I just called my manager and I said like my camera is not working. So he asked to on the camera and the camera actually didn't work. And I said, so I want to resign. So it's like, why are you taking such decisions? I was like, no, I don't want to work in this field. It's like, okay, but like, but like he said, okay, what are the reason? Like, I want to move to the field of blockchain, Web3, and all. And he said, okay, what is Web3? He said, I was like, watch my sessions. Then I was like, okay. I said like, okay, I need to move some higher studies, need to study more. Then he said, okay, mention that reasons that in the reason mention that okay, like you're moving for higher studies and like you haven't received your university letter yet, then it will be easily approved. Then he said, okay, like we talked and like I raised the request today and like in 3 months I will be free and completely working on Web3. Right now I'm freelancing actually. So that's why I decided to go. And I haven't said even to my friends. You are the first people I said to my parents, and you are the next people I have done. Karim, Ravi, Harvi, Nidhi, Sahad. So you people only know this. No other people knows. So thank you so much. It's like it's been lovely talking to you guys. It's so much, and it means a lot to me actually. So please do follow me on LinkedIn. And this is my Dadi on the backside. Say hi to her if possible. Um, yeah. So what topics you want to listen actually on? Same. Sure, man. Sure. So, what topics you want to listen next Saturday? That I'll be preparing of like you people can understand more. So yeah, any topic suggestions you have, or we haven't completed the blockchain two part. Like I have completed half of the fundamentals of blockchain. So like the 50 pages I have completed like 20. They have 30 more pages, like for metaverse, concept of metaverse, NFTs, all these things, like how it actually going to work. uh, yeah, any concepts you have in ideas, just let me know in the messages. Sandbox exploring or something, that's cool. I have like installed Sandbox but haven't used it. I have played some games in it, but like it's not like completely pro level. It's like lame level right now. But okay, I can show you if you want. I need to have go to my brother's laptop and like show you all the graphics and all. But like it's like okay, not like It's like a mini version game, sandbox version you were talking. Ishmam. Uh, okay, let's try. I need to. I will also play some games. Like I'm playing with me right with my life right now. Yes, let's play some sandbox games with my life. And I'll show you Roblox also. Like if you want to see sandbox you can create your own game. In Roblox also you can create your own game. Any Web3 game. Yeah, Roblox is also a Web3 game. It's like some teenage kids created a game in Roblox. Roblox, it's an app. It's like some dumb games they create, and the games are being sold for millions of dollars. Not even the Play Store games will be sold for that much. So it's like super these things, guys. So if you any of you are like super interested and everything, it's like ping me. I will let you know all these tricks and trick tips. You prepare the game and we'll launch it and we'll share the profits. Sure. I'm open for opportunities because like I'm connecting with each and every one of you people. Like every day it's like so much learning from each and every one of you. Like why not take profits? Let's take it. So Ishmam, it's like Ishmam, right? Or Ishan? Ishmam. Ishmam, Sahad, Kareem, Ravi. Let me take a small photo. You okay with photos? I think you are. Yes. Let's take a video. Thanks, guys. So yeah. So if you want to talk any other topic, Sahad, Ishmam, Alvi, Ravi, Nidhi. I think those are the people. If no, we will conclude the session. So as you're asking, we'll go to sandblocks exploring, and like next Sunday we don't do. Like yeah, Saturday we'll do because like most of the people you'll be free on Saturday, right? We'll do session on Saturday. Nothing is in my but feel, but I feel this is good idea. Yeah, sure. Like we'll do. If you find it good idea, I'm super cool. I'm super cool with it. I just want to have fun talking with people about Web3, like each day, 1 hour or something. So it helps both of you. Like right now, I have revised all of the NFT material that I have been preparing that I have not seen for like 15 or 2 months or 1 month. Right now, I have seen and everything like crossed my mind again. So like you talked about Web3, so that will increase my knowledge also. So yeah, we'll do a session on like sandbox and Roblox. Build your own game in metaverse. The title is good. I think someone heard, and it will be already done. Like when we end the session, the thumbnail will come. The creator people are super fast and like they're super helpful actually. So yeah, let's do that on Saturday. The time will be mentioned, and like please do give a follow. I can't able to see how many people are following me also. Like give a follow, you'll never miss an update. And thank you so much. So if you have any doubts, please give it in the chat. We'll chat. Or if you have any personal doubts, you want to ask me personally, connect me on the LinkedIn. LinkedIn, I'm super active. Yeah, that's for me today, guys. Is there anything you want to talk about? Ishmam, Ravi, Sahad, Kareem, Alvi, Nidhi, Sahad, Kareem, yeah, these people. Yes, okay. Give me the chat. If you want to talk about anything, we'll talk. So for simplicity, I'm just pasting the link here. This is my LinkedIn. It's Solana scam. That's disturbing. It's not a scam, but like right now, Solana, the inbuilt blockchain, it is not like for completely. Let's say the Ethereum is like completely protected and optimized, but the cost of running Ethereum is so much large. But when compared to Solana, the cost is low. But right now, the developers are not as increasing as expected. So even if the cost is low, uh, what I can say, the cost is low. The people are not doing that much, and sometimes the blockchain is broken. It's like not working sometimes, so that's why people are calling it as, okay, if it is broken, we want a non-broken system, we want a system that can't be hacked or broken. So what's the point of a blockchain if something is broken? So that's actually all the Solana scam hype is coming from. So other than that, like Solana is like a very nice idea, it's a nice L1 layer one. But right now if you compare between Polygon and Solana, people will go for Polygon. Polygon is a layer 2 and Solana is a layer 1, because all the we love Ethereum ecosystem because it's so many people in there. So that's why most of the people will be going to Polygon when compared to Solana. Solana is like a layer 1, and like yeah, the so same continues. Like some people might have like broken the system. These are the scams that are like, happening. Like these statements comes each and every day. I hope I answered your question, Ravi. Mm-hmm. Anything other than that? Sahad Kareem, Nidhi, Haldi. Thank you so much, man. It's awesome talking to you, Ravi. Thank you so much. Let's connect in LinkedIn, man. We'll talk even more. See you in the next stream. Sure, sure. Like, see you guys. See you all in the next stream. Just message me if you don't understand anything. Even if you just want to talk, just chill talk. Just message me. Sure. I love to talk about Web3 and crypto, man. Sure. Thank you so much. Do read my works, and you have my website to go to it. Sometimes, like, see, see some valuable inputs there. That's it. It's like even if you like my LinkedIn post, I was like, oh my god, someone liked my LinkedIn post. I will do more. I'll feel like that. It's like a small kid inside. So, thank you so much, and we'll meet on Saturday again. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you guys.